HomeCo is a U.S.-based distribution group and global manufacturer. We are a vertically integrated powerhouse in cabinets, countertops, sinks, and bathroom vanity. From research and development, manufacturing, export-import, distribution, and retail supplying, we cover it all. All of our products are developed and produced from our independently owned factories across Asia and get imported directly into our distribution centers. Currently, we have 20 distribution locations across California, Texas, New Jersey, Utah, Delaware, Florida, and Hawaii within the United States. We're continuing to seek new distributors to expand our supply network further. HomeCo serves a range of customers like distributors, importers, retailers, contractors, builders, and developers. Our biggest advantage is, depending on the project, we can supply products both locally and overseas. Also, having our own factories means that we can tailor volume orders to our customers' needs and have the flexibility to better control production and shipping schedules. As a premier manufacturer, our goal at HomeCo is to strike the perfect balance between producing top-quality products and maintaining cost-effective manufacturing processes. One of our core strengths lies in our commitment to consistency. We understand the importance of uniformity in our products, ensuring that our customers never face issues with color or size mismatches across different orders. In order to achieve this, we continuously invest in upgrading our production equipment and staying on top of the latest technological advancements in the industry. This not only allows us to enhance the quality of our products, but also to streamline our manufacturing processes. By adopting more efficient production methods, we not only improve the caliber of our products, but also effectively reduce production costs. HomeCo's robust distribution network is specifically designed to cater to customers who require products with shorter lead times. We take pride in our commitment to maintaining a fully stocked inventory at all our distribution locations, with 20 strategically placed centers and more on the way. Our expansive network ensures that customers have convenient access to our in-stock products. This extensive distribution footprint not only brings our high-quality products closer to our customers, but also significantly enhances our delivery capabilities. Our goal is to swiftly and efficiently place our goods into the hands of our customers, minimizing wait times while maximizing satisfaction. HomeCo combines innovation with efficiency to deliver high-quality products. Our integrated approach, from production to distribution, ensures exceptional quality and timely delivery. With our expanding network of distribution centers, we offer unparalleled reliability and convenience to our customers. We're committed to continuous improvement and embracing the latest manufacturing technologies. HomeCo is more than a manufacturer and distributor. We're a dedicated team, advancing the industry and fulfilling customer needs with every product we deliver.